Live, man. You know what I'm saying? The struggle is real. You know what I'm saying? I was just walking down the street. I saw this man video on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? And on Facebook. And when I, you know what I'm saying? When I heard the brother spit, it was just he hit my melanin. You know what I'm saying? He awakened me. You know, and I had to listen to him. I listened to the man video probably 50 to 7,500 times. You know what I'm saying? Because he was spitting some real stuff. And it's just conscious, man. People got to wake up. People got to quit letting other people who don't live in your area or who don't live your life decide your life. You know what I'm saying? It's time that we, as a people, this people, my people, it's time that we stand up. Because he looking down on us frowning, man. Because he put us here for a reason. We invented everything. We know everything, but we don't do the right thing by ourselves. Who better to heal us than us? Hurt people hurt people. You know what I'm saying? We hurt. So we got to take care of ourselves, man.
Bless.
Live, man. We got to live. Come together and live, man. Love. Big Ted, Elgin, Illinois, Chicago, man. Let's go, man.
Bless.
That's real talk, man. That's real talk, man.